Hi customers, welcome to AB Clothing, here from Bangalore. This is our denim production unit. You can see the cutting section, all our indigo denim. As I mentioned, we have daily 2500 pieces of jeans production, different styles. We have totally 4 brands, all in glue, bottom line, Hitman and Firegun. This is 20 years old company. We put up in care from Bangalore. You can get the best price because we have complete own setup. We supply domestic and also export to other countries. Anytime you can visit to our factory. You can get plenty of designs. See the quality of the fabric. It's all ready for the production. Yeah, these are lots are ready for the dispatch. See the peach fabric from Firegun brand. It's ankle fit. Ratio is 32-38. MOQ is 40 pieces. Yeah, anytime you can visit our factory. You can get all the colors and all the fabrics and all the fittings at best price from AB Clothing. In different shades you will get different tones. Okay. You can see some of our certificates. Ours is ISO certified company and all registered brands from 1986. Thank you.